In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn all names into uppercase in Excel. If you're cleaning a list and want every name to appear consistently in all caps, there's a quick, reliable way to do it with a simple formula. You won't overwrite your original data, and you can update things later without retyping. Start by opening your worksheet and deciding where you want the uppercase results to appear. It's best to use an empty column to the right of your names so the original list stays intact. Click the first cell where you want the uppercase version to start. This will be the top of the results area. Now type the formula. Begin with the equals sign to tell Excel you're entering a formula. Then type upper, followed by an opening parenthesis. With the parenthesis open, select the range of cells that contains the names you want to convert. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the list, or by typing the range reference directly, like A2, A100. When the range is highlighted, add the closing parenthesis. Your formula will look like upper, your range here. The upper function tells Excel to convert any text in that referenced range to uppercase characters. Before you confirm, take a quick moment to check two things. First, make sure your selected range includes only the names and not the column header. Second, confirm there's enough empty space below the cell you clicked for the results to appear. If Excel needs to output multiple rows, and there's something in the way, you may see a spill warning until you clear the space. Press Enter to apply the formula. Excel will immediately display the uppercase version of your names. If you referenced an entire list, the results will fill down automatically to match the height of the range you selected. If you referenced a single cell, you'll see just that one name converted. The original data remains unchanged, and the uppercase results are linked to it. That means if you fix a spelling in the original list, the uppercase version will update automatically. If your dataset has blank cells inside the range, that's fine. Those spots will simply return blank results. And if you ever need only one uppercase name, point the formula at a single cell instead of a range. That's it. Click the destination cell, type equach upper with your name range inside the parentheses, and press Enter. You've now standardized your names in uppercase, cleanly and consistently with just one formula.